Are you ready to embark on a delightful journey through a world of vibrant succulents and exquisite pottery? Welcome to Forlitz Sky Arts and Architecture. Get ready to cultivate your creativity, indulge in nature's wonders, and explore the captivating synergy between gardening, arts, and architecture. Subscribe now and let your imagination bloom in this vibrant community. If you find yourself captivated by the allure of these resilient plants and the beauty of handcrafted pottery, you're in for a treat. Visiting a succulent nursery and pottery can be an exciting experience, especially if you're a succulent and unique pottery fan. Here are 10 tips to make the most out of your visit and help you with buying succulent plants and pottery. Number 1. Research before you go. Look up for local nurseries and pottery shops specializing in succulents and handmade pottery. Check their operating hours and any special events or sales they might have. I searched using Google and found a place near me, and I will visit each site when time permits. Today, we visited one of the plants and pottery outlets only 16 minutes from where we are. Number 2. Check the weather. If you plan to buy many plants or delicate pottery, ensure the weather conditions are suitable for transportation. Extreme heat or cold weather can stress the plants and risk damaging pottery and your health and physical condition. Number 3. Make a list. Know what type of succulents and pottery interests you. Having a list will help you stay focused and not be overwhelmed by various choices. Number 4. Have a goal for your budget and keep that in mind when selecting the items. Before going to this place, remember how much you can afford to buy because more often than not, you tend to be compulsive when you have a variety of beautiful plants and pottery in front of you. The next thing you know, you want to buy everything. Number 5. Assess the quality. Inspect the succulent plants for signs of health such as vibrant color, plump leaves, and no signs of pests or diseases. For pottery, checks for any cracks, glazing imperfections, or other defects. Number 6. Consider sizes and shapes. When buying pottery, consider the size and shape that best suit your succulents. Ensure the pots have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Number 7. Mix and match. Get creative and experiment with different combinations of succulents and pots. Create visually appealing arrangement with various colors, textures, and shapes. Number 8. Bring appropriate transport. If you plan to buy larger or fragile pottery, bring packing materials and a vehicle with enough space to transport your purchases safely. Number 9. Don't rush. Take your time to explore the nursery and pottery shop. Enjoy the experience and don't feel pressured to buy everything at once. Take breaks if needed, especially if the nursery is large. And last but not the least, number 10. Look for things that will inspire you to use it for your next project. In this nursery, I was inspired by this doghouse and wrapped with succulent plants. From the roof to the walls, they planted succulents around it. Not only is it a cool-looking structure, but it is also unique. I may incorporate this idea into my future greenhouse in my square garden at my backyard. Remember, visiting a succulent nursery and pottery can be an enjoyable and educational experience. So make the most of it and have fun exploring the world of succulents and beautiful pottery. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the fascinating world of succulents and pottery. Stay tuned for more exciting content on gardening, arts, and architecture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos. Happy gardening!